So in this video, we are looking at top 3 bearish stocks for next week. The first stock which is catching my eye is basically you can see bearish BIIB. Again, we saw in the previous scan. So let's go here on weekly scan also. BIIB. See bearish, right? It's not quite right, but it's bearish. Okay. Next one is Baidu and Dow. Okay, not the right setup. Okay. Cut down. Okay. That was bearish. These are the 3 stocks which are bearish. Okay, let's now start by FC. I will suggest BIIB also here. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and